So there are a few different ways you can boost your engagement, and there's actually a lot of ways. You can get creative with it. One of the best ways is either in the very beginning. I honestly don't recommend it. I'd say like in the very end. Just say something like have your narrator or in the script say something like, "What did you think of the video? Comment down below." Or obviously something more specific that'll actually incentivize them to comment. Something super related to the video like, do you think this will ever happen? Like say that in the video, and that's one way to incentivize people to comment. Another way is giveaways. I've never done this. I've seen a lot of people do it, but I don't recommend it. You can literally like in the beginning of your video, even in the end of your video, have something that says like giving away this item to whoever comments the best comments, something like that, and that will boost your engagement a shit ton. And you can also say like the video and comment. That definitely boosts the engagement a shit ton, and could even have your video rocket based off that sort of engagement. Another sort of way of boosting your engagement would be commenting on your own video, not responding to comments, but commenting on your own video with a question that says like, what do you think about blah blah blah? Obviously something related to the video, and then you can pin your own comments. Let me actually show you exactly what I'm talking about. Let's go to YouTube real quick. Hopefully I'm not logged into one of my main accounts. And we're not, which is cool. So I'm going to go to YouTube Studio, and we're going to check out one of my videos. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about when I say pinning your own comments. It's pretty self-explanatory, but just for the sake of the beginners who don't know about it. So this is one of the videos I uploaded way back in the day when I was a kid, like 2011. GTA San Andreas, a great game. Anyways, what you would do is you would come to the comment section, if there even is one. So yeah, you come to the comment section, you would say, for example, like, was this the best GTA game in history? And then you could put in parentheses, say, best comments will get pinned. So it's like this right here, people love getting pinned. People just love that little bit of clout they can get from getting their comment pinned. So give them that incentive. So you want to comment it. You can even throw an emoji just to catch some people's eyes, like a thumbs up, maybe a rocket ship, something obviously related to your video. And then you put that in the beginning. And then what you want to do is comment that. And then when you come over here, these three dots to the right of your comment, you click it, and then you click pin. So now your comment will remain at the very top, and everybody will see it. Maybe even give yourself a like, just so it gives it some traction. And then what people want to do is they reply to your comment and kind of start a thread based off your pin. And then let's say someone gives the best comment. Then what you can do is you can go to their comment, click the three dots, and click pin. And it says if you have already pinned a comment, this will replace it. So what you can do is you can pin their comment if you really think they had the best comment. But at the end of the day, it's going to replace your pinned comment, which will then thus remove the idea of the thread, if that makes sense. So yeah, you don't actually have to pin their comments because chances are they're probably not going to come back and check. And even if they do and they're not pinned, it's not that big of a deal. But the idea is like leave a open-ended question pinned. That's your own comment. Another way that you can boost your engagement is, I talked about that in the previous video, is to respond to every single comment on your channel. And if you do respond to them, try to respond with a question. Like comment on their comments and then follow it up with a question. So it's open-ended and it kind of creates a thread where either that viewer or that the commenter has to come back and reply to your comment. And that also allows other commenters and other viewers seeing your guys' thread, and they join the conversation and start commenting as well. Things like that really boost your video in the algorithm because YouTube realizes they're like, oh, something's happening within this video in the comment section. People are discussing it. Must be an interesting topic. Let's start promoting it more. Does that make sense? I hope this made sense. Definitely implement this because it's a huge deal.